How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I was going to come to you today that I am working on the Ford Cortina, the resin kit that I bought, and I'm going to recast these kits. And like I said, I'm doing a lot of work. I got a lot of stuff I'm going to have to cast, since how I'm going to make them with engines and detail like that. But so I'm going to show you what I'm doing so far as the casting's going. Turn this camera around and give you all a look. Alright everyone, this is what I've got going on. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking modeling clay. For anybody that wants to know how to do this, I'm taking modeling clay, and as you can see, I'm starting to make me a base, which I'm rolling it out with this can. You know, you can do it with anything, rolling pin, whatever you want to do. I use that big old cleaver right there to cut up anything I need to cut up as far as the clay goes, as it cuts real easy. And as you can see right here, I've got the model packed, and I still got to go around the windows, and I'm going to smooth that out as best I can and smooth some of this up, because as you know, when you're doing any kind of casting, you know, as far as like the windows, and the better you make it, when you pour up your car, you cast it, when you pull it out and everything, you're going to have a thin layer of flash, you know, resin left over around the windows, and of course around your wheel wells and stuff like that. So the better you make this, the easier it is to just pop it out. And of course later on I'll show you how to do it. But the way I'm making my base is I'm going to get this thing smoothed out better. Right now it's rough, I'm just showing you, but I still got to work everything. And I'm going to smooth it out, and I'm going to attach this to this. And then long time ago, when the kids were small, and of course they're all grown and gone now, you know, they used to have Legos, and they still do got Legos. I got Legos out in the shed, just tubs full of them. So what I did was stole some of their Legos, and I've made me a base to put around that, so when I pour the resin into the top, it'll hold it. And another thing I'm going to do too, because I've done this many a time, so now that I got this done right here, I'm also going to take tape and just kind of go around the edges of the Legos that way, because you can see right here where the rubber compound is leaked through in places, and it's going to do that because it's thin liquid. You know, well, it's kind of thick, it ain't really just thin, but it'll seep through the cracks. But that's where I'm at right now, everybody. I just thought I'd show you what was going on, and till next time, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, I'm back, and then you can see right here, see how I got that smooth out, and I got it setting on the base. I got the clay. See if you can look back here. I don't know if it'll camera will zoom in or not. See back there. That's what you want to do. You want to get it connected to the base, and I use that clay right there, and I'd roll it around, and I would just put it under it till you get it fairly level and fairly even. And now I will put the Legos around it, and here in a minute I'll pour it up. Alright, I'm back, and as you can see here, I got the Lego base around the Cortina. I've got the Cortina all ready to go, got it cleaned up. I got the tape around the base, as you can see, around the Legos, that way it don't seep through. And this is what I'm using. I'm using Smooth On 30. This is my part, let's see here, part A and part B. Okay, now you can measure this stuff out on a scale or however you want to do it, but I've never been the type to do that. I'm lazy. So what I do is just eyeball what I think I'm going to need to fill that cavity. And what we're doing is filling this cavity around, and what we're going to do is mix it up, and then we're going to pour to one side and not move it, and just let it run over to the top. Okay, give me a minute while I mix this up, and then I'll probably just have my wife hold this while I pour it to show you. Thank you. Alright, I'm back. And what I'm going to do now, you can see I've got it mixed up. This one right here was pink, the part A, and the part B is blue. You mix it together and it becomes purple. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour it on one side. I'm going to pour it up pretty high, and then I'm just going to let it just drop. Alright, shut her off. Okay guys, I'm back again, and I was just going to show you now that I've got it poured. You can see the bowl that I mixed. You just mix it up with anything you want. Now you can see that I got it poured. See how even that is and everything. And you might get a few bubbles come up to the top, and that'll be alright. Alright, so that's it until I demold it. Alright, bye.